My dear friends, I am J.C. Chaudhary and today is my 31st lecture on numerology. Now today's lecture topic is very important and interesting also. In your daily life you must have come across number of people saying that we do not know our correct date of birth. Many will be complaining that in my school record the date of birth written is wrong. Many must be saying, for purpose of admission I gave wrong date of birth to the school, and so on. Now when they don't have the correct date of birth, how can you calculate their fate by numerology? It is not possible. But today I will tell you, even if you don't have any date of birth of a person and you meet any stranger or any friend, any person, and you go to the office, see the name of the person on the, you can say, gate which is written, and by just looking at the name of the person you can find out about the character of the person and much more things about the person. You see, when we do the interpretation of any name, we find that the alphabets in the name, they are vibrating with different frequencies, and these alphabets, they represent the story of a person, what type of person he is, what type of personality he is having. So we find that there are two types of things when we see the name of a person. There are certain letters which are vibrating with different frequencies. There are certain letters which are vibrating with different frequencies. Now, frequency of vibrations of the alphabet A, I, E, O, U is different as compared to rest of the alphabets in the English. So these alphabets which I have spoken, A, I, E, O and U, these are called as the vowels. What are they called as? Vowels, and they have different frequencies of vibrations. Whereas those alphabets which are like B, K, T, M, S and so on, these are called as consonants. So what is the basic difference between consonants and vowels? The vowels, when we speak, they do not show their effect. Their effect is not loudly visible, they are silent. So they are called as soul urge number. S-O-U-L, soul urge number means the vibrations which are not visibly seen, or you can say the alphabets A, I, E, O, U, they are known as the soul urge number, whereas the other numbers which are visibly loud and their expression can be observed, they are called as consonants. So in latest alphabets, there are two types of alphabets. One of them are called as soul urge number, other are called as consonants. The soul urge numbers are also called a heart's desire number. What the heart is desiring. So they have the innate quality of the person, they have the capacity to see, or they have the ability to express their internal heart. तो अगर जानना चाहते हैं कि ये आदमी जिससे मिल रहा हूँ ये अंदर से कैसा है, बाहर से तो जो दिखाई दे रहा है, कह रहा है, वो तो कर ही रहा है, लेकिन अंदर से इसका दिल कैसा है, अंदर से आदमी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है, अगर आपको ये पता लग जाए कि आदमी अंदर से ऐसा है तो आप वैसी बात करोगे जो उसको अच्छी लगे। तो इसलिए आप उसके दिल को जीत भी सकते हैं, उसके क्लोज भी जा सकते हैं, उसके बारे में बहुत कुछ आप अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं। तो इस किस्म के अल्फ़ाबेट्स जो हम देखते हैं कि वो इनेट क्वालिटी रखते हैं, इन अंदर की क्वालिटी रखते हैं जो कि हमें विजिबल नहीं है, वो लोग इस क्वालिटी को एक्सप्रेस नहीं करते, छुपा के रखते हैं, लेकिन न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट से नहीं छुप सकते। इसे न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट बता सकते हैं कि आदमी अंदर से कैसा है। तो सच टाइप ऑफ द नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड एज सोल अर्ज नंबर, and those which are the characters, which are the traits which the person is trying to express. एक आदमी जो अपने आप को बताना चाह रहा है कि मैं एक्सप्रेस करना चाह रहा है, तो वो कॉन्सोनेंट्स कहलाते हैं, या उन्हें हम पर्सनैलिटी नंबर कहते हैं। तो पर्सनैलिटी नंबर वो नंबर होते हैं जो आदमी अपने आप को दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, और अगर हम दोनों को मिला दें, जो सोल अर्ज नंबर है और पर्सनैलिटी नंबर है, तो ये वो टोटल एक्सप्रेशन होगा जो वर्ड को उस आदमी का दिखाई दे रहा है। तो तीन तरह की बातें मैंने आपको बताई। वो नंबर जो कि हिडन हैं, जिसको आप पहचान नहीं सकते, वैसे पता नहीं लग सकता आदमी का। और अगर हम जो पहचान सकते हैं तो ये सारे के सारे हार्ट डिज़ायर नंबर्स होते हैं। एक वो होते हैं जो कि आदमी अपने आप को बता रहा है, कह रहा है, या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या एक्सप्रेस करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, वो पर्सनैलिटी नंबर्स कहलाते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट्स कहलाते हैं। और तीसरा जो टोटल होता है कॉन्सोनेंट का, हार्ट डिज़ायर का, ये वो नंबर का इफेक्ट आता है, एक्सप्रेशन आता है, जो वर्ड उनको देख रहा है या उनको अंडरस्टैंड कर रहा है या उसको फील कर रहा है कि आदमी किस तरह का है वर्ड डिज़ायर में, तो वो उसके पूरे नंबर का एनालिसिस हो जाता है। तो इस प्रकार से जितने भी अल्फ़ाबेट्स हमारे नाम के अंदर होते हैं, हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट अपना राग अलापता है, अपना गाना गाता है, अपनी फ्रीक्वेंसी से करता है। तो अगर हमें पता हो कि इनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी क्या क्या है तो उस आदमी के बारे में बहुत कुछ बहुत अच्छी तरह से बता भी सकते हैं। 26 अल्फ़ाबेट्स में से एक अल्फ़ाबेट ऐसा है जिसका टिपिकल कैरेक्टर है और वह है वाई। वाई का हम एक्सप्रेशन देखते भी हैं, कई बार नहीं भी देखते हैं। मान लीजिए जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ हनी, HONEY। अब हनी के अंदर वाई का एक्सप्रेशन नहीं है, एक्सप्रेशन ई का है। अगर वाई ना हो तो भी हनी बोला जाएगा, वाई तो भी हनी बोला जाएगा। तो जब जब कभी वाई का एक फिज़िकली या विजिबली एक्सप्रेशन दिखाई नहीं देता है तो हम उसको कह देते हैं सोल अर्ज नंबर। दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज वर्किंग एज अ सोल अर्ज नंबर। और अगर उसका एक्सप्रेशन बहुत अच्छी तरह से विजिबल है, अपेरेंटली वो दिखाई देता है, तो हम उसको कहेंगे कॉन्सोनेंट्स। जैसे एक वर्ड है कैमी, KAMY। अब कैमी में वाई जो है वो पूरी तरह से अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर रहा है, तो उसको हम कॉन्सोनेंट कहेंगे। तो वाई ही एक ऐसा अल्फ़ाबेट है जो कभी कॉन्सोनेंट की तरह काम कर रहा है, और कॉन्सोनेंट तब कहते हैं जब विजिबली फिजिकली एक्सप्रेशन उसका दिखाई दे रहा है, और सोल अर्ज नंबर उसको तब कहते हैं जब वो फिजिकली दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, विजिबल नहीं है, वो हिडन है उसका इफेक्ट, जैसा कि मैंने आपको हनी के केस में बताया। So this you have to remember, Y is the consonant also and it is soul urge number also, depending upon whether it is visibly expressing or it is not expressing. So let us take up some example to explain it. Let us understand the vowels and expression numbers by taking one example of the person named as Mukesh Kumar Solanki. Now in Mukesh Kumar Solanki, let us see which are the, first of all, the vowels. In Mukesh you find the vowels are U and E. In Kumar it is U and A. In Solanki it is O, A, I. So let us put the values of these. The value of U is 6, E is 5, so it will become 6 plus 5, 11. Single number will be 2 in case of Mukesh. In Kumar, value of U is 6, A is 1, so number will be 7, 6 plus 1. In Solanki, the value of O is 7, A is 1, I is 1, so total will be 9. So if you add up the three numbers, 2 plus 7 plus 9, this will be 18, single number will be 9. So the heart desire number or the soul urge number of Mukesh Kumar Solanki will be 9. Now depending upon the person to person, the heart desire number can be either 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, it can be 9 also. So how do we identify the people who are having the soul urge number 1? So those people who have soul urge number 1, what are their characters? First of all, they always are in the want of recognition and the fame. They are highly ambitious and they are egoistic also. They show strong leadership in their life. Those people who have soul urge number 2, they maintain peace and harmony at the office as well as home. They are highly cooperative and they are sensitive persons. They wish to cooperate and coordinate with maximum number of people. The people having the soul urge number 3, they remain interested in the teamwork, socializing and interact most of the time with the people of opposite sex. They express better in writing. That is why they are good writer as well as poet also. They are good author also. The people having soul urge number 4, they are generally very rigid in their outlooks toward their lives. They are pragmatic in their life. They believe in action and they work at the grassroots level. So number 5 people, they love to do multitasking, multiple work at a time. They are adventurous and their heart is full of excitement. People having soul urge number 6, They have compassion for those who are very close to their hearts. They are artistic, love the beauty, love the nature in their life. The person having soul as number 7, they accumulate knowledge, number 1. They do not open fast with everyone, and their moods are always fluctuating. They do show a lot of swings. The number 8 soul as number, they have liking to accumulate lot of wealth and power. They love solace and do not like to live in the company of many people. People having number 9, they are born leaders, they are stubborn, they are humanitarians, they are aggressive and like to retaliate. Let us now take up with the personality number expression number in Mukesh Kumar Solanki. The consonants in Mukesh Kumar Solanki are M, K, S, H. The value of M is 4, K is 2, S is 3, H is 5. So total is 14, single number is 5. In Kumar, the value of K is 2, M is 4, R is 2, so total will be 8. In Solanki, the consonants are S, L, N, K. The value of S is 3, L is 3, N is 5, K is 2, so total is 13. So single number will be 4. So if I add up 5 plus 8 plus 4, this will be 17. Single number will be 8. So the expression number of Mukesh Kumar Solanki will be 8. So likewise, it can be 7, it can be 9, it can be 6, it can be 5, it can be 4 also. It can be 3, 2, 1. With different people, the expression number will be different. So let us see what are the characters of the persons having personality number expression number 1. Characters of the persons having personality number 1. Number 1, they are egoistic. They are very effective persons and they are trendsetters in their life. People having personality number 2, they are sensitive, emotional, they are patient, loving, they are harmonious and love to live in the groups. The people having personality number 3, they are fond of their image and the latest fashion. They have charming personalities and try to please everybody. They dream for being recognized and become popular everywhere. The people having personality number 4, they are able to handle any type of obstacle in their life. They remain well prepared for the future. They are dependable persons. The people having personality number 5, they want to live enthusiastic life. Number 2, they accept the challenges and bring surprise and excitement. They are good traveler and adjustable in their life. Having personality number 6, people will be well balanced as a human being. They are family persons and very loyal in their later part of their life in their family. They love home, decoration and objects of comfort in their life. Usually they are more interested to have lots of comforts. They are very sentimental in their life. The people having personality number 7, they are spiritual and have intellectual capabilities. They are philosophical. They become interested in meditation and want to stay away from the crowd. People with personality number 8, they are very strong leaders. They are very loyal and give back in return. They are influenced by money. They are powerful in business and they become business tycoon in their life. People with the number 9, they have good leadership qualities. They have revolutionary ideas. They tend to appear hard externally, but internally, from the core of their heart, they are very soft. And anybody can play with their heart with little efforts. So in this lecture, we have learned about the solar number and personality numbers. We have tried to see what are the characters of the persons which are having on the basis of the consonants, on the basis of the, you can say, solar number, and overall what are the character of the person based upon the vowels as well as consonants. तो इस तरीके से आप इस लेक्चर के अंदर समझ गए कि जो नाम होता है उसके अल्फ़ाबेट्स होते हैं, उन अल्फ़ाबेट्स की क्या लैंग्वेज होती है और उस लैंग्वेज को समझने के बाद हम इंसान के बारे में बहुत कुछ जान सकते हैं बिना डेट ऑफ बर्थ के. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल वे टू रीच टू द हार्ट ऑफ द पर्सन, हाउ ही इज़ फ्रॉम इनसाइड विद द नॉलेज ऑफ द सोलर नंबर. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot.